Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today I'll be learning how to download a photo as PDF from Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to download a photo as PDF from Picsart, first open up your Picsart app on your phone, and as I've already opened it, and you land over here, which is the home interface of Picsart. And after opening your Picsart as, now to download a photo as a PDF from your Picsart app, tap on the folder icon available for us at the bottom right corner of the screen. You can see there is a folder icon available for us just beside the plus button. Tap on the folder button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you land over here, guys, where all of your files will be over here. Now you can go to the photos section by tapping on the photos button over here at the menu where I'm swiping. Tap on photos and all of your photos will be available over here. Now in order to proceed to save photos as a PDF, tap and hold on the photo which you want to save, and this kind of panel will appear. And after that, tap on the download button over here, and then this kind of panel will appear where you can see the save as PDF button available for us. But before you proceed, you'll be required to get the premium of the Picsart app, and after getting the premium Picsart, the save as PDF button will be available for you as well. And after doing that, tap on the save as PDF, and then your photo will be saved as a PDF on your device from Picsart. And with that being said, guys, this is how to download a photo as PDF from Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.